Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. I want to start off today by saying hope everybody is safe and dry, because I see some crazy videos on the internet, right? I see some landslide in Jamaica. I see some excessive flooding in a certain areas, you know, and even death. I see one video where a father and daughter was killed in a landslide. So, you know what I mean, my heart goes out to them, and hopefully nothing else now happen serious like that. I also see a video where over Portmore one crocodile come out and it look like them a try catch it anyway, but not the regular people. Them look like the authorities come out and I try catch it. You see me? So we hope say the rain not get too much crazier than what it is already. You know what I mean? So people, with that out of the way now, welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So we have some videos for you today as usual, right? So the first video I want to show now, Shenseea. Shenseea is in Atlanta and like she in her hotel bowl for make a video, and then this happens. So here goes, take a look.
Baby, you... What? Jesus. Look at my body. Listen. You see, if you no beard, I don't know wash on the dress or no nasty. But that means this one nobody wants. Say, ladies, if you don't wash your panty right after your beard, I'm not support it. It's not safe. Remember when I was a child, you know, and my parents used to make me wash my underwear. Them nice juices and shit. It's just, it can't stay for weeks upon weeks, my nigga. You have to wash that shit. Hey, the first time I made that at me now, I be sugar and in my drawers. Be I'm not telling no lie. I pee a whole in my drawers after. If I know, look most my pum pum near the drop out. Babies, I'm in Atlanta. Make sure you meet me tomorrow on Glenwood Road at the Cosmopolitan. I'll be performing, so come out early. Make we enjoy ourselves. My miss you know. Link up. Shenseea.
Well, there's not much that I can say about what she said. I just have to laugh. So I'm going to leave it to the ladies them in the comment section for to tell me how it go. Right? What Shenseea talk of facts. You see me? Shenseea say when time you bathe, you're supposed to wash out your panty right away. No store up. You see me? So ladies, comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about what Shenseea say. Alright?
And this is what me want do. Sit down by your cocky like a lizard on a limb. Nipple right, pussy tight, your fish waiting.
People, this song is by Mayan and it's produced by Papi Dan, and the song is called Dirty Stuff, and she just upload the lyric video upon her Vivo. So I'm going to put the link in the description so you can check it out. Right? So let's hear some more of it.
Nipple right, pussy tight, your fish waiting. Don't stop me body calling like it dialing. Play with me pussy like it's a violin. Me love fi fuck and you love fi fuck. Worse when you tell me the dirty stuff here.
Yeah, people, and Mayan and my style just reached 1 million views on our Vivo, right? So you can check out that also, right? But people, the next thing more I'm telling you now, you know, dancer Danny Boo turned artist, you know, she do her thing, she have song with Vibes Cartel, she have her own song them, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, her car was stolen last night. So she posted on her Instagram and say them thief her car in Red Hills late last night, early this morning, right? And she leave her phone number, that I put the car up on the screen. So if you don't see this car with this license plate and everything, you see what I said, the phone number to call is 876-303-7496. Again, 876-303-7496. Just hope she get back her car, because Jano hard for even own a car these days. You see what I say? And for a female work and buy her things, you know what I mean? And then people just come and take it away. That's very unfortunate and sad at the same time. You see what I say, people? So, male or female, and not just anybody will own them car, you know what I mean? But I just threw a Danny Boo in this case, make me say that. But you know it go, people. You know, every time you try to go up the ladder, something I go try to pull it down back. So I just hope she get back her car, see me? So a little while ago I made a video with Shaniel Muir, and she do a song where she talk about people where I say she want surgery, right? So may I assume that the song I gonna name clickbait because of that she say in the hook. But you know, she do the song again, she do a video and sing the song again this time. You know, and she posts it back, and you know, I just see it everywhere now. People are share it, so You know, it look like some people never see it when she go up on the live because people still a get the same reaction. Or the song just that bad. You see what I say, people? Maybe a boat. We don't know. But anyway, me go show no the official, I guess, posting of the song, because the last time she did it, she just did it up on live and she just, you know what I mean, a play a rhythm. So here we go on now.
Watch out, man. Them want tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feel of them alone for do it big boss. So them judge you by your skin, but being black I want my comfortable in. So damn if you don't, damn if you don't, them still I got talk and if me no provoke them. My life is an open book. I stand firm anywhere me put my foot, cause them I use me for clickbait. And if you think about us make a mistake, yeah, come in no press button, I'm in no make trouble. Me put God first, come a journey a big feat. Them can't pull and press me like trigger. I feel move private as a public figure. Me not join in a lip race, cause anybody this a quick case. Me a tell you good. Show me no do me body, them say me no look good. Them can't pressure this a party top for cook good. This 6 grand me woulda take a purchase sip and but it's in a pro box down a yard. Would look good. And that we do know everything you see you follow if you impress people. So
the thing, people, is still just as bad as the first time when you hear it. You see me? Because to me, you know what I mean, it's still a punch, you know, and even though it more refined, you know, when she did do it on the live, it looked like she did just bill it, and now she look like, and that's why she even make the video, because she have it done pat now, and probably ready for go voice it soon. You see me, people? So we will be hearing this song sometime soon in the future, I'm assuming. You know what I mean? We can't wait. And she also have another song forward, one named You and I, and it's featuring Ben's Clickstar. You see me? So big up Ben's Clickstar and big up Shaniel Muir. Right, people? But that brings us to the end of today's video. So if this is your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. And again, everybody, just please stay dry out there and please stay safe. You know what I mean? If you see no place a flood out, try to get to higher grounds and these things. You see me? I say, don't try to like cross no big puddle of water and them thing they are no heavy rain. You know what I mean? No gutter where I come down gully or whatever. I want to know what I mean, right? So I want to stay safe out there. I want to big up on yourself. Thank you for watching. I mean, have a wonderful night or day or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.